That's a great question, and it's one we hear really every day in clinic. Patients are always very interested in how to rebuild collagen that they've lost maybe as the years or decades have gone by. Some of my patients are reaching for things or advertisements they see where you can supplement collagen orally. The most reliable way to build collagen is with treatments that are performed in the office. The best example are different types of lasers. There are different kind of levels of treatments too, some that start out a little bit more basic with less downtime that can build collagen a little bit, going up to our strongest treatments where there would be a little bit more significant downtime, like a week. And we treat the skin on your whole face. When we deliver energy to the skin on your face, we're relying on your body to build collagen from the inside, and that's the best and most reliable way we have to get some of those anti-aging benefits.